Alright guys, let's get to this. I'm going to do the week of 16 to 20. We're just going to do the full analysis on it. I'll start off with Nasdaq, especially for today, considering we have FOMC, and then we can get on to either gold or maybe just stay alive and look at different other stocks. I have a bit of time on my hands, I guess, today. So looking at the Nasdaq on the monthly, now we're on clean chart. Cool, we're on the clean chart, right? So as we see that the previous month has risen back in, I'm expecting market to go in here and at least touch around 18, in and around this area. I'm expecting 785 to at least be wicked into. I don't know if it'll break up or it'll stay in that range, we don't know. However, yeah, that's for sure. Looking at this day monthly is just telling us we're going to go bullish, because look at this long wick. If we go down, that would be okay, but I doubt we're going to take this low resistance liquidity, because we've tapped into this rebalance reprice range. We just closed the VWAP here, so tapped into that, we have rebalanced that, we've closed this fair value gap. I am expecting, we've tapped into this, we've taken this as high resistance liquidity. I am expecting market to just bolster up after today. I'm just going to keep my notes on hand because I always use these as my analysis. Let's just quickly check it out. I made my PJs extra comfortable all red. Yeah, let's get to this. I'm going to set my station up a bit and cool. Yep, let's get to this. So yeah, that's my analysis on the monthly time frame. Let's look at the weekly. So today my trade, I had put a trade idea, it got in and then got stopped up, but I'm expecting market to go to around 366 definitely before FOMC. So once FOMC hits, it'll go and bolster back up. For now, yeah, this is my trade. I'm expecting this to get hit in the next few minutes. I've not entered it because I'm not trading for today or for a short time. Just trying to find out a way of building a bit more capital, but I will put it on my other account here. I'm going to just take this trade on my second account because I'm quite certain we're going to 371 or 368 definitely. I'm almost certain today will hit that and then go up, because are we forming a broadening formation? We are. Look at that broadening formation. Nice solid broadening formation has been formed since yesterday. I should have picked up on this yesterday. I was expecting market to hit here, but yesterday evening, unfortunately, I got crushed. No, but today is where the broadening formation is inevitably forming. But overall, so we're forming a broadening formation within a broadening formation. If you look at it up, here we go, and I am expecting if we go down, we can even go to 245 today and then bolster back up. So it's FOMC, anything is possible, but at least I'm thinking that we will hit around this area. I don't know, I wouldn't long from here because you never know, market might just dip here and then go, but overall the formation is a broadening formation, so keep that in mind. Let's just see what we can figure out from here. I'm just going to go through each and every point on my notes in the end, and let's see if we get something of value from there. What's our monthly dealing range? We are in this range. We are in an inside bar. We need to tap this, so I'm pretty sure we'll tap this and most probably go there, or we might stay in an inside bar this month and then bolster up or bolster down next month. Anything is possible because there is this rebalance reprice fair value gap, very tiny fair value gap here on the monthly. There's this order block at 15,000, there's this at 16,400 ish. So there are many points of interest. Again, we take it day by day. I can't really frame a trade of the monthly. Let's look at the weekly. I will take a trade later on today. Takeaways. Okay, so monthly in and inside bar, previous month bullish and went back into range, most likely looking at 19,780 area for longs to reach into. Yeah, by the way, an update on my health condition. I finally think I found a solution after 5 years. Yeah, it has been a manic 5 years, a bit of difficulty with my health, but I think we found it was a genetic condition and there's only a possible treatment for it. Now that I'm happy that there is something for this, took a lot of finding and searching. Pretty I'm well, and yeah, we move on with life. Let's look at the week. So from Monday to now has been a narrow range week. We did create this volume imbalance last week, so have I marked that out? I just keep this on the side because this is where I do the prettiness on the chart, if there's a word like that. Pardon my English. So yeah, we have this nice volume imbalance. I need to delete all these. Yep. Order block, we frame our chart. I've not done some analysis this week too much, and I did do a bad trade, although I was in heavy profit, and then all of a sudden I did a bit of a gamble. There we go. I said that market is moving towards my target. It is going to move there. I am pretty sure, I'm confident about that. Liquidity area, let's see, lower time frame, order block, high time frame. Liquidity, so we have this volume imbalance. Nice. I would not look for shorts here. This is too close to the VWAP, but we are likely to just keep dropping. We are 3 hours away from FOMC. So what are we seeing weekly here? Again, possibly to here, I doubt, but possibly to 257. So EMA. I've not forgotten what I started off learning, like with EMAs. It's quite helpful from time to time. I just mix and match when I see it in my charts. EMA, that's how I started like any other retail trader. And I guess we are all retail traders unless you're working in an institution. So I don't like how people just say the retail traders. We are all retail traders, even if we are reading price action. We don't have institutional capital. So quit talking shit. Yeah, 257 is a possibility. In FOMC. I will not be trading FOMC, which knobhead is making noise outside. Let's look at the 3-day. So we have taken highs. Look at that double top. Weekly is in shallow range, expecting volume injection from here. I sometimes, it takes some months off. Just watch the market. Like, you don't always need to be trading. Like, I just spent too much capital and wasted too much good capital initially trading and struggling and stressing out myself when I should have just watched for the first year. Actually, just watch the markets. As I said, there was bad advice given, but it is what it is. I learned, and now I need to build more capital again to trade with higher leverage and higher capital per trade. We have the volume imbalance. Going on at 18,380. Volume imbalance 18,380. I'm expecting market to dump next year, hopefully, like crazy, and I hope I'm in that short. Let's see the big short. Yeah, let's look at this. What are we seeing? So 3 daily again is pointing to 18,222. No, I'm not going to use that as my target. 18,257 is good. We have equal highs at 19,632. 19,632 equal highs to be botched. Oh, yeah. Significant, significant down, significant up. We get an OGE and test, or we just go up. I don't know if we'll go here because I don't know if these are relative equal highs or if this is high resistance liquidity. But again, I'm not going to pay attention too much to the 3-day chart. I'm looking at the daily. I'm going to close this. It's irritating. This phone is so annoying. Shut your mouth, bro. Let's see. We most probably will take this and close the gap. I am highly anticipating 19,267 to be hit today. Yeah, daily. Highly anticipating 19,260 region to be tapped, because looking at the last 2 days, we are in a range bound. We could tap this, we tap this and tap back in, or we go in and then start bolstering up, but I'm expecting this here 18,260ish, or at least 275. Yeah, I'm expecting that, and I'm also expecting this to be tapped. So I'm expecting both sides of yesterday's candle to be tapped. It's a good day to trade actually. Expecting both sides of yesterday's candle to be tapped. So yeah, we create an out bar most probably. We just, oopsie, what am I doing? Okay. This box formation, if this is a head and shoulder, just looking at it, shoulder, head and shoulder, we could really go down from here. There's so much downside potential. Market make a sell model, market make a buy model. Here we would tap into this region. Look at that, look at how accurate that is. In, back up into this mitigation block, down, back into this mitigation block. Oh, we have this mitigation block which should be tapped at some point, at least I hope. And I hope we just keep going up for another few months, and then yeah, we can hit a nice home run down at some point. I'm a bit lazy today. I've done quite a bit of work in the morning. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure I wouldn't trade more than this, but I'm pretty sure 19362 is going to be hit today. That's quite, yeah, this a stupid person's trend line can be drawn. Yeah. Trend is your friend. There we go. Serious. 12-hour not telling us much. Are we seeing a breaker? High, low, higher high, lower low, tap in and go down. That's a possibility. Could be a breaker. We're seeing a turtle soup inducement as well. 8-hour. We could get a turtle soup again here as well. Let's write it down. Our potential turtle soup to be formed. I'm gonna receive some dough today. Hopefully it's coming and I can get away from the market. From here I need to run away from the market, unfortunately, for a short time. Although I'll be doing my analysis each and every night, I need to come back at some point later in the future. Here's this block here. I'm just looking at this and like I'm expecting all this to be tapped. I'm just going to mark that out on the 4-hour chart. I really expect this to be taken. I'm expecting this 636 area to be taken. High anticipation. Buy side liquidity. Sell stops. Okay, so we hit our first target, which was 89, so that's done. That's been hit. Now we go up a bit and then again down. That's what I'm expecting. I would be shocked if it just went and bolstered through down to my target, but I'm expecting up and down. I learned something about the market. You need to be so dynamic and so quick to change your analysis if it's necessary. Okay. To have quick range up, down, range up possible. I am going to just add my active present and pause it for some time. Okay, yeah, while I went away, I guess market went to my target over here. Bing! And then we went a bit more. We did a bit of accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So, what am I thinking here? We have this manipulation leg. So, we are going here. What are we expecting? We're expecting 433, 448. Anything is possible with the market. Just need to take a bit of a break for myself from the market. But yeah, I will be back soon with vengeance. So now Yeah, my first target is 1432, then 1447. That's where the order block is, or even it is 1436. I'm expecting that. Once I saw this red, I should have just taken a long, but I'm not in the market for now. Again, we have the AMD trade here: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So if we were to just where did we go? We did not hit that 380 mark. Yeah, sorry, let's not get carried away. So yeah, 2 hour, we are seeing we're most likely going to take that out here, 516, 530, something like that. The heck is going on? There we go. We just on the 30-minute we closed the fair value gap and then rebalanced it, and now starting to look for a bit of shorts. We might go down to 389, 396 and then possibly roll back up. But yeah, we got the rejection at that fair value gap rebalance. What is it, 2 hours saying again? So there's this order block here. Yeah, so 2 hour order block. B. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of the trade I took today on the 15-minute. Yeah, that way we improve ourselves every day. Trade ideas and results. I would have been wicked out, but there we go. So trade 1. Every time I look at a trade, I'm just going to take a screenshot from now. Snippet. High resistance, liquidity as well. I need to just keep this away. Trade idea 1. So via experience we gain a high resistance liquidity and then dump my initial target was the 19,367, but more it went to 19,340. I remember those days where I used to chase 340 and was waiting for 339. So yeah, those are bad days. But if we look at it, this is a rejection block. It's at the midst of the rejection block here. If you were to take 50%, mid of the rejection block. And then this is my second trade that I should have taken, but I didn't today. Ideally, again, trading should not be stressful. If you're making trading stressful, then you're trading, you're gambling. That's what I have done my entire first 2 years. But let's see. So again, on the 5-minute, I would have said this is the trade opportunity. So this is my long position. There we go. 36 is my target. 35. I would say just to be cautious. 35. There we go. So we should have entered on this and seeing that you're like, oh yeah, bolster up 360. Even if I entered at 378, that's what I should have done. That should have been my trade. Yeah. But again, it's scary. What if it just went down? But that's where confidence comes in. You need to have confidence. This is a 1:1.28 trade that I should have taken again. and then you take partials along the way. What else? So let's see. We observe word block on the 2R. What's it? 19,458. 19,457. I'll just not pay attention too much on the 2 hour. I'll look at the 1 hour. 19,479 here. Same as 2R. I am expecting market to come here today, at least, and just because of this level of resistance we're aiming here. So what am I seeing on the 1 hour? I would be marking this out. This is my target for the 1 hour, so I'm just going to take a snippet again. 520, so 19,520. Keep on taking snippets throughout the day. I need to make my charts a bit cleaner. Ooh, there's a there's a 19,517 around that. I'm going to delete this. Let's add another photo. We have a baby cry outside. Don't cry. It's alright. Let's look at the 30. We're going to do yesterday's analysis as well right now in a bit. So we have till 7 o'clock till the interest rate decision. What are we seeing on the 30 minute? We're seeing here 19,521 again. Seeing 19,517 again. Take the one that's low. Volume imbalance as well on the 30 minute. I would say towards FOMC we're going here. So my first target has been nearly met. And then that's our second target. 513 and 512. Few points always below is good. I'm going to put a volume gap here, there's a volume gap here, then I mark the order block as well. One thing I learned, market is not running anywhere. It's better to trade less, and that's my biggest issue over the last 2 years. Now we start analyzing. I'm going to give myself a month or so and just pure analysis, pure studying, and yeah, I'm hopefully I'm back in October. I've put in volume gap, and order block. Mm, 15 minutes is not as good. Let's keep the 15. No, I'm sorry. Being a bad boy. We could go down and back up, or we could just go tap here and then go back up. But I am expecting again 15 minutes is lining up the 30 minute. We're going up as I said. So yeah, expecting it to hit my target one. This will be my first take profit. This is our second take profit. 5, 12, 13. 100 points, yeah. Might take another 60 points. Target one hit. Okay, back at it. Like as we can see, our trade is progressing. We would have taken partials at around 32, 33, 37. We've now hit 69. I'm about to enter my trade of the day, bro. Expecting 482.20. 5 minutes showing nothing crazy. I'm going to open the chart a bit bigger here so that we can see what it's showing. Overall, we could get a head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head here. But go back to the daily so that we keep the daily in mind. 4 hours saying we're going up. It's lining up with the fib projection as well for the 40 and 42 fib. Let's see, what's the 1 minute thing? Alright, I guess that's our analysis on the Nasdaq. What about the gold? By the way, let's keep the... It's very important for today, by the way. I missed out on it, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that, son. So we got 6:20, 5 o'clock. So I have New York midnight put in. Okay, damn, I'm singing what my mom listens to. It's so annoying. It's so dumb. What else we got? Remember, this is high resistance liquidity. We might have a bad trade going on here, to be fair. So we have New York midnight, we have New York open. Where did New York open? Here, right? We have open, high, New York close here, New York open. Move it. So most probably will decimate New York open by what time FOMC starts. And then after New York open is decimated, where's 130? 130 to 40 to 15 130. So we have open, high, low, close. So right now we're at a premium. So if we were to take this as a dealing range, we're in a premium right now, right? Premium to discount. Bingo. So premium discount. Coolio. What else do we see? I just don't want it market to roll back down and give me shit here. It's giving like a mini broadening formation within this whole thing. 451. Do you think we can go to 45? We could. I just want to close this out. I don't see the point of having it open. Am I able to trust my trade right now? No, I'm not, right? 2.9. I'm not able to trust my trade. I'll get out. What's the time? It depends. 6:09. By the time 7 o'clock hits, it's going to go up. I'm just letting it run. Let it run. Keep a stop loss. I don't know what to do. Let's see. Keeping on. letting it run. Let's see. Alrighty, what else do we see? 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 We see this double top that is gonna get taken out. What else do we see? What else do we see? The wee bopper in the mid of the wee wap. We could go down to 42, why not? And once we hit, we go back up. Anything is possible. Yeah, our analysis is done. Let's do a bit of gold analysis. I feel like doing gold. Let's see what Goldilocks is up to. See this? We had this trade on, but yeah, it went and then took this, went up, and then back in. Regardless of this. For now, I think Nasdaq is good enough. I don't need to do gold. Or am I just being lazy? Possibly. I think I'm being lazy. Don't be lazy, Rishi. Laziness is a crime, especially if you're healthy. In my books, laziness is a crime. What is the market saying for this month? Honestly, I hate the fact that I was sick and poverty struck when I was a kid. Could have done so much shit in this world. Can't choose your family. You can't choose your health. These are all predestined. Health, you can improve it, but I guess like some of the conditions which are genetic, like my condition is genetic, it is basically passed down. Well, my condition would be hypermobility, like especially like excessive stress causes it to get worse, so just try and not get reactive to anything and not give a fuck. That's the lifestyle you want to live with, where you don't give a fuck. Gold could go up. We could take sell side liquidity. Target that, but most probably we're going to take 19. Simple. I can go down to 380. It's possible. I'm not trading gold much right now. My focus is on the Nasdaq. I enjoy trading the Nasdaq. Gold is fun, but I have not got enough experience in it, so I'm not going to dabble too much with it right now. Sit on